Hi guys, if your UBOTIE keyboard isn't turning on or won't connect through Bluetooth, the issue is usually relating to the pairing mode or the power mode. So in this guide, you are going to learn how to properly turn it on and connect it to your device step by step. Now on the UBOTIE keyboard, you need to first of all remove the battery cover on the back, and then you need to simply insert the two AAA batteries and make sure that the positive and the negative ends match the markings. The batteries are fresh and properly seated. The weak batteries are the biggest reason the keyboard appears completely dead. Afterwards, you need to locate the small power switch, which is usually on the side, on the top right hand edge or underneath the keyboard, and then you just have to slide the switch to on. You should see the small indicator light flash briefly. If no light appears, you can recheck the battery replacement. You can also try the new alkaline batteries, and you can also clean the battery contacts if needed. Now, after doing so on your keyboard, you just have to press this particular combination, which is FN key plus C, or you can also press the FN key plus 1 on the UOTIE model. Then simply hold the keys for a few seconds until the LED starts blinking rapidly. When it does, it simply means that the keyboard is now discoverable through Bluetooth. Now on your Windows PC, Mac, iPhone, your tablet or phone, you just have to simply open the Bluetooth settings, and then you just have to simply connect your keyboard. Once connected, the blinking light usually becomes solid briefly and then turns off to save the power. So these steps work on most of the UBOTIE wireless keyboards in 2026. So you can try them and let me know if that works for you as well. Thank you.